Hello, my name is MKIRIKACHA, and what you see here is no ordinary spot. This tiny brown circle on a tomato stem is the start of a farmer's nightmare, early blight. It looks harmless, but if left alone, it can turn your tomato farm into a graveyard of weak, dying plants. Farmers have lost entire harvests to this invisible enemy. But today, I'll show you one simple trick. One everyday ingredient from your kitchen that can stop it in its tracks. Completely organic, completely safe. Early blight spreads like wildfire. It starts on the lower leaves, then creeps up the stem, then the fruits. The fungus loves warm, moist conditions, and if you don't act quickly, your green tomato dream turns into a brown, shriveled disaster. Most farmers rush to chemicals, but here at MKIRIKACHA TV, we fight smart, natural, and organic. So, what's the secret weapon? Ladies and gentlemen, meet baking soda. Yes, the same powder you use in your kitchen to bake mandazis or clean stains can save your tomatoes. Here's how. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add it to 1 liter of clean water. Drop in just a tiny bit of liquid soap to help it stick to the leaves. Mix it well, and your natural shield is ready. Spray this solution on both sides of the tomato leaves and stems, especially where you see those suspicious spots. The baking soda changes the pH on the leaf surface, making it impossible for the blight fungus to spread. Instead of multiplying, it struggles. And your plant survives. Think of it like this. The fungus is a soldier that can only fight on one battlefield. Baking soda changes the battlefield. Suddenly, the enemy can't fight, can't grow, can't win. That's how a kitchen ingredient becomes a tomato lifesaver. Now tell me, have you ever tried baking soda on your plants? Did it work for you? Comment below, because your story might help another farmer out there. And while you're here, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss another tomato-saving hack. Remember, early blight may look small, but it's deadly. Baking soda may look small, but it's mighty. 1 teaspoon could be the difference between a failed harvest and a basket full of juicy tomatoes. Stay organic, stay smart, and keep your tomatoes shining. This is MKIRIKACHA TV.